time for the 2025 Fort Lauderdale Boat Parade. This year's Grand Marshal is CEO of South Beach Lady Charter Yachts, Denise Ennis, featuring her commercial charter yacht, the South Beach Lady. And this year's Grand Marshal of Entertainment is Mr. Montell Jordan.
Thank you for being here. My life, everybody under the sun. Upside down. Y'all know what it is.
Protection. So let's talk about this gorgeous, wonderful boat. I believe that's our Seminole Hard Rock Winterfest Grand Marshal's boat. I'm going out on a limb, but I think that's her.
Oh, I think you might be right.
Yeah, so they're pretty loud and proud. Yeah.
They're on board the Fifth Third Bank Yacht Rocket of the Ages.
So you'll see there the Grand Marshals, Romero Britto and Montell Jordan are on the Visit Lauderdale bow there. Romero Britto actually designed, it's insane, the Winterfest poster this year. I mean, his art right there, as you're looking at right now, is so iconic to South Florida.
And around the world. Even the decorations aboard the South Beach Lady have a bit of Britto flair to them.
Oh, they're having such a good time. Craig Stevens and Belkis Nure are also on this boat somewhere having a great time. Romero Britto was born in Brazil, as you know, but Romero says he is Miami made.
He so is.
And he's out of the happy art movement. If you notice, all of his art is very, very happy. It's centered around visual language of happiness, fun, love, and hope. And look at the side of the boat there, with lights lit up, with hearts and music.
And then you have Grand Marshal Montell Jordan. Of course, he's an American R&B singer and a songwriter and a producer. Of course, he is best known for his 1995 singles, This Is How We Do It.
Look at Romero. It sounds like he's singing too.
He is, and get it on tonight. Now, Jordan was the primary male solo artist on Def Jam's Def Soul imprint until leaving the label in 2003. He was born in South Central LA and regularly attended church and played piano for the church during the 80s.
Let's listen. Oh man, we're just
that was so nice.
This boat is just beaming with light. Is this my bevy? It feels like it.
That's a gorgeous shot right there.
Gorgeous. And you can see, wow, dozens and dozens and dozens of spectators.
A lot of people turning out tonight, and the weather is holding up.
So this is my bevy-like beverage, I believe. And their theme is yachting around the Christmas tree.
Oh, that's cute.
And it's so large. It's being towed by a towboat.
Beautiful.
Yeah, she is decorated from head to toe.
They're playing different versions, rocking around the Christmas tree on the boat tonight.
That was for you.
The boat is decked out with thousands of lights with their big white Christmas tree. The boat is named after the captain's wife, Beverly. Friends and family and kids are all on board. It's their very first time in the parade.
I really respect a man who names a boat after his wife.
That I think
My
it should
Betty,
be that way. Yes.
Beverly, yeah, I agree. Wow.
We're going to get another shot of Bevy coming down
She is
in front of
60
the judges.
feet. That's a 60. We know you're here. 60-foot powerboat. Be good to be friends with them. Who wants to join in on the Winterfest Boat Parade on our boat?
By the way, when they're being judged, there's a special Bob Leiter Best in Show Award given to a parade participant every year for creating an amazing entry.
So this actually may be Freedom with Rich Girl Winter Wonderland theme. We just like to give you guys a little, keep you on your toes,
right?
You know? But anyway, so this is freedom with a rich girl winter wonderland theme, and the rich girl theme came from a nearly all-female crew working on a yacht.
It's a 26-foot Christmas tree on there. Suntex Marinas helped make the entry happen.
Oh, we saw Miss Florida USA, Lou Schiflin, on
yeah.
board. That's who was waiting.
The Motor Yacht Freedom is available for private charters as well.
This is my bevy.
Oh, this isn't my bevy, so this is Beverly.
There you go. That's a gorgeous boat.
So yeah,
That's a 60-foot
They're
power
playing
boat.
different versions of Rocking Around the Christmas Tree on the boat tonight. The boat is decked out in thousands of lights.
And as we said earlier, this is the guy who we respect for naming his boat after his wife, Beverly. Yachting around the Christmas tree. There you go. They have a
So
sign.
what would your boat be named, Lenny?
I know the lyrics.
Would you do us the honors of spitting Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Come on! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you would even say it close. Come on! All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him.
I guess we got folks on the other balcony, okay.
Rudolph, joining any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to
Flashlight on. And say hi to Montell. This is how we do in Florida. Oh, wait on this side. Hard for me to find. What's your flashlight? Wait, double two, you got the double two, make some noise out there. Gallery 1 Hotel, we see y'all. Put those flashlights.
They have a party on that boat.
They
got a the whole top of it.
We see you.
Having a party. Yeah.
Oh, I like that light up super hat. That guy looks good.
I wonder if that's the South Beach
I
Lake.
like it.
I wonder if that's the South Beach Lake. You know, she's a sister on it. So I don't know if that's it. Yeah.
So,
Somebody's jamming. Well, that's us.
I thought Ty had his, Sean had his photo.
Yeah, it is. It's around the corner. See that little canal right here? That little, yes, it's in there.
Okay.
That's Jim's boat here, the white guy with the Santa Claus outfit on. Aquadesiac.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's a nice.
That's a 60-foot cruiser.
Wow.
Oh, so he's in the same building.
Yeah, he lives in this building. Yeah, we went to the Bahamas, the island hopping, the Bahamas fling with them. Jim was in the crew. As a matter of fact, the first time we came, to put it this way, the first time we went to Bimini as a group, he was with us.
Sandra, we miss you on the boat. But you're the belle of the ball, girl. Partying on that thing.
Yeah. To go. I think I made a wrong turn back there somewhere. How you doing? All right. Good to see you. Yes.
Why are you telling me Michelle was here? All the people like she's right there.
I thought you knew Michelle.
24. It's really nice. We go every year.
Okay, so you say it's on Las Olas?
Yeah, it's right there. It's right there.
Is it by the water?
Yes, it's right there.
Where they dancing?
Right there on A1A. You know where the elbow room is? That club, the famous club, elbow room.
Ah.
No, okay. You know where they have the folks. Yeah. I'm looking at all these damn tires.
I don't know. It's just stuff. What happened? His wife stays on top forever, you know.
Is that what they do when Ray figured it out?
Awesome.
So you get dizzy, right? He gets dizzy, right?
This is new too. This
Check
is
this
new
one
this
out.
year.
It's Extreme Holiday with the Sphere of Fear. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh, keep watching.
The Fearless Flores family is a third generation of daredevils. They perform throughout the country. One of the riders, Lynn, is only 14 years old.
And they performed on America's Got Talent and other TV shows, and now they're performing on a boat, wow, on the water at the Seminole Hard Rock Winterfest Boat Parade. Can you believe that? That's new. That's crazy.
One of the performers, Ziana Flores, wears rhinestone boots and a glitter helmet as she performs her breathtaking spins. By the way, all of the kids in the family started performing when they were like 4 or 5 years old.
Wow. I guess you train to just take risks.
How do you even do that? I think one time on Deco Drive, didn't Alex try to do that?
Videotape.
They don't charge you anything to be in the parade, just sign up and get in the parade.
I think there's a fee for it. They were notifying us or asking us to, be in it. I ignored it. But Tom, he took it. He went on and registered. He was the only one of us that registered.
I see it both ways, but it's still worth it.
Oh yeah.
About a 10-mile ride.
I guess he just wanted the experience.
Yeah, I can see doing it once.
Yeah.
It's a little colder tonight than what it should be.
Yeah. Now, that's my jam there. Yeah. That's him? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Can we see him?
Yeah,
We see him.
Yeah, he's coming under the bridge.
That's one of our guys, Tom Jackson. That's my bevy. All right. Well, we had one representing in the parade, huh?
It's clear all through here. It's clear all through here.
Oh yeah.
All that water's all just clear. Oh yeah. All dredged out clear.
It's Josh Stone. It's a sunny celebration, Jamaica style. Let's spend Christmas, huh? Yeah, sugar.
A birthday celebration. Tropical terrain.
Oh, you mean?
It feels like a vacation. Winter time is came.
Yeah.
This December will be all together, a family. This Christmas, let's gather round. It's a Sunday celebration.
When it's a Sunday celebration,
It feels so good, we all at home.
are you mean?
There will be no separation.
Stalking by the fireplace, roast a cup of marshmallow while the fire blaze. Presents open early in the morning. Thankful for the gift, it's heartwarming. There's nothing sweet like home, better than the FaceTime on the telephone. No matter how far I roam, won't be spending Christmas all alone.